When you serve others, when you help somebody, if your goal is so that you could get something back, that is not the service that the Bible teaches us. We serve from a different heart. When you serve, you have to understand that we serve because we have already benefited. All of us today, when we serve the elderly, whether it's in arts and craft, whether it's cleaning, or whether it's just simply having a conversation with them, or even smiling at them, all that you do needs to come from a place where you know that you've already received your benefit. So when we serve, I want you to know, by you actually helping them, smiling at them, holding the door for them, or having a conversation or cleaning, what you're doing is you're following Jesus. You're following his example. The Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, Matthew 20:28. You're not going there to clean. You're not going there to just simply make things. What you're doing is you're going there to be God's messenger, to be God's hands and feet today. So that those who are there, they'll not see you, but they'll see Jesus. I don't know where your heart is, but I want us to have a heart today where, God, you have given me so much already, and I want to share that.
I'm so thankful for all grandma and grandpas that were joyful for us, and I hope that we can visit to elderlies again next year.